Today, know about a Stoic lesson from Franklin. Most people fear being alone. They see silence as emptiness and solitude as punishment. But Benjamin Franklin, one of the wisest men of his time, found something different in silence. He found clarity. He found peace. Franklin believed that solitude was not isolation. It was purification. Away from the noise of the world, a man could finally hear his own thoughts. In those quiet hours, he asked himself one question every morning. What good shall I do today? And every night before, the Stoics taught that freedom begins with self-control. Franklin lived by it. He tracked his flaws every single day. Temperance, silence, order, resolution. He didn't seek comfort. He sought clarity. And in that clarity, he found true freedom. Not from the world. Franklin built his life on 13 virtues: temperance, silence, order, and more. Each week, he practiced one. He failed often, but that was the lesson. True strength is to fall and rise again. As Marcus Aurelius said, every philosopher knew that pain is the teacher of the soul. Franklin embraced his failures, not as punishment, but as progress. He once said, "Do not fear mistakes. You will know failure. Continue to reach out." The Stoics believe the same. That adversity, when you find yourself alone, don't escape the silence. Sit with it. Listen. In stillness, the truth reveals itself. Like Franklin, ask yourself, what good shall I do today? Not for fame,